Hello, welcome to the demo of the key features of BACPro. BACPro is a BACnet Live network monitoring and capture file analysis tool for building operators and building automation technicians to use to troubleshoot their networks. I'll be starting with BACPro already installed and running. To begin, I will import a capture file by pressing the Import Capture button and selecting a capture file I have on my laptop. While the file is being analyzed, I want to tell you that BACPro is not sending your customer captured data to the cloud, but instead it's processing it securely and quickly on the machine it's installed on. BACPro is perfect for the traveling technician. You can even import capture files without an internet connection and have results immediately. Now that the analysis is finished, you can see BACPro has provided some health scoring. The rating is made up of three components: connectivity, performance, and integrity. Connectivity is the percentage of devices detected that are actively communicating. Performance is the measure of how quickly devices are replying to requests. The faster the reply, the better the score. Integrity is the score that starts at 100 and then is reduced for problems found on the network like duplicate networks, duplicate BBMDs, excessive traffic, and many other issues. Next, let's look at the Summary tab. Here in the center, you have some statistics that show you how many networks and devices were detected and what percentage of traffic on the network is BACnet. There is a pie chart that shows you what percentage each BACnet services is being used on your network. On the right side of the list of anomalies that were found on your network sorted by severity. Let's take a closer look at the duplicate BBMD anomaly. When you select an anomaly, you get a summary screen that shows you the packet or packets that led BACPro to flag the issue. In this case, you can see two different source addresses, both broadcast a packet into the same destination subnet. This is a duplicate BBMD and needs to be corrected. Anywhere you see the fin icon, you can click on it and it will take you into Wireshark and highlight the packet shown. You can then see the traffic around the spot of the anomaly. Next, let's look at some helpful tables that will show you excessive traffic on your network. The first table is the top 100 COV generating objects. The table is sorted by count, and you can see which objects you need to have their COV limit adjusted. Here you can see the biggest offender has sent 3,320 COVs in just 56 minutes. There are tables that will help you show the top 100 devices generating events, reads, writes, and trend collections. Next, the table shows you all the requests on your network that received an error reply. Some of these errors can indicate problems with the device. For example, these application exceeded reply time errors indicate that a device is either overloaded or needs its APDU timeout adjusted so it can answer the request. Another serious error is a password failure error. These can indicate your backups are failing because the workstation has the wrong password for the device. Also, buffer overflow errors can indicate a device has low memory issues or is not able to handle a request. The next table shows you all the failed node scans happening on the network. Who is traffic can be a huge burden on your network performance. These scans often indicate that the node is failed or that you have notification class recipients that are pointing to non-existent instances. Here you can see there are tens of thousands of these messages consuming the bandwidth of your network. The last table shows you the min, max, and average request times for your devices. This can also be very helpful in deciding what is an appropriate APDU timeout for a given device. Long reply times can also be an indicator that the device is overloaded. The next tab is Network Activity. Here you can create all sorts of custom views of the traffic on your network. You can display traffic by service, time, and by device. One useful view is to see the top 10 devices generating COVs. The fin icon will take you to Wireshark and will even provide the filter needed to just see COV traffic. One more useful graph is all the traffic for a single device. Again, in Wireshark, it will apply the filter for you, showing you only the traffic to and from that device. The next tab is System. Here you can see a topology of your network. It shows you all networks, the router address, and the devices belonging to that network. If you select a device on the right side, you can see the statistics for that device. You can filter the display by anomaly type, for example, if you want to see all the devices that are currently failed. Another great feature of BACPro is that it can monitor an IP network 24/7. You install BACPro on the same machine as the building operator workstation and have it connect to the same network interface. BACPro can then monitor all traffic to and from the workstation. When running in live mode, all the information is the same as when you process offline capture files. You can see all the same graphs, tables, and views of your data. You can even set up SMS messaging to alert you when serious problems happen on the network. Here I've defined Bob to get notified anytime the network goes down or a duplicate BBMD is detected. If you have more than one vendor on your system, detecting this problem in real time can save a lot of headaches and help you correct it right away. The last feature I want to show you is the network report. You can press the Create Report button and BACPro will generate either a comprehensive network report or a shorter summary report. The summary report skips some of the bigger tables, like the list of all networks and devices. The report has the health score information at the top, and then lots of statistics. The next sections are all the anomalies found, sorted by severity. There are some useful graphs that show the services and types of traffic. There are tables of the top 20 objects generating COVs, events, writes, reads, and trend collections. The report provides a list of all your BBMDs, networks, and devices. This report is something you could provide your end customers as part of an audit or visit to their site. There is also a user guide that's installed with BACPro that covers the things I talked about in this demo and much more. I hope this demonstration of BACPro will help you in deciding if this is something that can benefit your technicians and customers. Please visit our website, BACProTool.com, and start a free 2-week trial. I believe you'll find that BACPro simplifies troubleshooting BACnet networks and will make your customer networks run much better. Thank you for your time and consideration.